Hi, I'm Steph Evans of Evotech, who are partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites looking at the mesh independent ties which allow you to connect different parts of your models.
Okay, so looking at the mesh independent tie in Apex, formerly known as glued contact. This allows face-to-face contact to be defined between shells and solids, many different types of groupings. One advancement that we've got is that we can now specify local zones for that mesh independent tie. So here we're going to edit the existing tie that's been imported, which is extended for the full spar to skin interface in this example, and modifying it to only look at one particular bay in terms of the contact, or the glued contact through the mesh independent tie. So here we can see we've split that contact up. We've got discrete fasteners in some areas and mesh independent ties in others, and we can see the response here.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.